Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Chhaava movie. First, define your core concept, often rooted in historical or cultural themes. Next, develop a compelling script that captures your vision and resonates with potential audiences. Simultaneously, begin securing initial funding and assembling a dedicated core creative team. This foundational work is crucial for setting the right tone and direction for your entire project, ensuring a strong start. With your script ready, move into pre-production. This involves casting talented actors who embody your characters and recruiting a skilled production crew, including cinematographers and sound engineers. Thoroughly scout suitable filming locations, ensuring they align with your story's aesthetic, and obtain all necessary permits. Finally, create a comprehensive production schedule and a detailed budget plan to guide your filming process efficiently. During production, focus on bringing your script to life. Direct each scene effectively, guiding your actors to deliver strong, authentic performances. Pay close attention to capturing high-quality visuals through cinematography and ensuring clear, professional audio recording on set. Be prepared to manage daily production logistics and adapt to unforeseen challenges smoothly, maintaining a positive and productive filming environment for everyone involved. After filming, enter post-production where the movie truly takes shape. This involves editing the footage, adding any necessary visual effects, and refining the sound design to create a cohesive and impactful experience. Next, develop robust marketing strategies to reach your target audience and consider submitting your film to various festivals for exposure. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, plan your distribution to share your Chhaava movie with the world.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.